Hello and welcome. My name is Luca Burton and I'm an Ansible automation engineer. With more than 15 years of experience as a system administrator, I have a strong expertise in infrastructure, hardening, and automation. I'm an enthusiast of open source and I'm supporting the community, sharing my knowledge in different events of public access. I'm a geek by nature, Linux by choice, Fedora, of course. So, back to business. We are in the post-pandemic world and the mantra is innovate, accelerate, and automate. So, you need to do 1000 things at the time, I know the feeling, and you need to find one solution to deliver fast and be sure that what you deliver is perfectly up to date with the expectation of a modern infrastructure. So Ansible is the right solution because it combines the best of some code that everybody can read and you can share with your colleague in the IT department, as well with a powerful tool. So during this lesson, I'm going to share with you the basic of the Ansible module, some code battle tested by me, and this code you can copy and paste and combine together for your use case as much as you want, as well the execution in the terminal line. So I'm going to share with you the exact step-to-step to reproduce this code. Moreover, you are able to copy and paste this code as much as you want, and everything is available for you. You can jump from one use case to another. So each lesson is designed to be a start and finish, and so you can try to jump from one another as much as you want. Are you excited? See us inside!